Hello kids, let's learn to shape drawing and color fill. Kids, shapes name heart, moon, triangle, hexagon, cloud, sun. Kids, beautiful 2D shapes and beautiful color. First color name green color, purple color, orange color, pink color, yellow color, brown color, light pink color, sky blue color, blue color and red color. Kids, shapes drawing green color, heart, moon. Kids, moon, triangle, hexagon. Here's hexagon, cloud. Here's cloud, sun. Here's sun. Here's sun. Color fill kids, light green color kids, light green color, heart, moon, red color, moon, red color, black color, triangle, black color triangle, yellow color, hexagon, light pink color, cloud, sky blue color, sun. Kids, shapes name repeat: heart, moon, triangle, hexagon, cloud, sun. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.